You made it to day 10. We have, after today, we have 2 more days left until the big giveaway. So stay with me, stay with me. This is so exciting. I think I like shorter videos, straight to the point, none of that extra. If you're new here, you're at Rock Naturals 12 Days of Beauty, where I share with you 12 different products or brands each day, all the way up until Christmas. And then on Christmas Day, which will be the 12th day, there is a giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned so you know all the details, and you might be the winner of the giveaway. Here we have the next product. This is Perfume. I never talk about perfume on my channel, but that doesn't mean it doesn't fall into the beauty category, which it totally does. So here we have this perfume from Victoria's Secret. I travel with this. This is like my everyday spray. I have a little bit more expensive perfumes that I wear. But this one is more like everyday. I wear it when I have a client or something like that. And people are like, "Ooh, you smell so good." So I just purchased this from Victoria's Secret. I'll show you the back because I really don't know the name. This is only a 1.5 ounces. So that means you can travel with it in your carry-on. I be on it, just spray a little. I mean, I drench myself in it, but for the purpose of this video. It smells like fresh, but berries and strong. Things that I love about perfume is that it smells different on everybody's skin, depending on like your pheromones and all those things. So I just love it. It's a little fruity, so if you like a little fruity but fresh, then this is for you. Victoria's Secret, I cannot tell you the amount that it costs. I remember I purchased this along with the lotion, because remember back in the day, you used to go to Bath and Body Works and get the mist, the lotion, and the soap all in one. I was like, I want something that I can wear every day or at night before I go to bed, anything like that. So I got the lotion and the perfume, and you really only need a little bit. I've had this for months now and I've only really used a little bit. And like I said, I travel with it and spray it all over me. I can't believe we're on day 10. Leave a comment down below. I am always looking for more perfumes to start or to wear, to try. So leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite perfume is that I should try. Subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Toodles.